Everyone wonders how we see stuff at work. Today, this is my point of view at work. Anyway, that's going to go on top of the roof, I guess. So back to answering the question about seeing that people keep asking me, how do you see? Well, a lot of times we don't, and it's going to sound crazy. We close our eyes a lot because a lot of times you're looking right at and you're just looking at the sun and you can't see anything. So we use radios or hand signals or a spotter, or sometimes we use our Bluetooth on our cell phone, so everybody thinks we're talking on our cell phone to somebody, but we're actually just doing hands-free communication, which is good. And yeah, then we lift stuff over buildings and we get debris on our crane from it. And that's how it goes. That's how we do things without actually being able to see what's happening on the other side or 100 feet up in the air or whatever the case may be.